Hello everyone, my name is Kajal from Diligence Certification, and today we are talking about a very important topic for the beauty and personal care industry, the cosmetic license in India. If you are planning to manufacture your own skincare, hair care, or makeup brand, or you are importing international cosmetic products, this video is for you. Because without a cosmetic license, you cannot legally sell or distribute your product in the Indian market. What is a cosmetic license? A cosmetic license is an official permit issued by the CDSCO under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The license ensures that your cosmetic products are safe, hygienically manufactured, and comply with the Indian regulatory standards. Whether you are a manufacturer, importer, or retailer, this license is mandatory for selling cosmetics like skincare, hair care, fragrance, and makeup in India. Types of cosmetic licenses. There are three main types of cosmetic licenses in India. Manufacturing license for companies producing cosmetics within India. Second is import license for business importing cosmetics from foreign brands. Third is wholesale and retail licenses for distributors and retailers selling cosmetics in the Indian market. Each license types has its own documentation and approval processes depending on your business model. Eligibility criteria. To apply for a cosmetic license, your business must be registered as a company, partnership, or proprietorship, having a facility that meets GLP, good manufacturing practices, employ qualified technical staff with a degree or diploma in pharmacy, chemistry, or related field, maintain proper machinery, hygiene, and safety standards. For importers, an additional free sale certificate from the country of origin is also required. Documents required. To get your cosmetic license, you will need company registrations document, premises layout or site plan, list of equipment and machinery, qualification certificate of technical staff, product list with formulation, free sales certificate for importers. CDSCO process. Now you can apply for a cosmetic license either online via the CDSCO Sugar portal or offline through your state licensing authority. Step first, documentation phase. Preparation of all technical, legal, and regulatory documents. Step second, filling of form, online submission on CDSCO portal, including fee payment. Step third, application review. CDSCO reviews the application. Step 4, license grant. Upon approval, manufacturing or import registration will be issued. But if you want manufacturing license, so this step is also include inspection. Inspection. CDSCO will conduct inspection on site manufacturing facility. This license allows you to legally manufacture, import, or sell cosmetic products across India. Benefits of cosmetic license. For business, this license brings legal protection and smooth market entry, access to e-commerce and retail channels, a stronger brand reputation and consumer trust. For consumers, it ensures safe and quality test products, protection from counterfeit or harmful cosmetics, transparency and trust in brands, validity and renewal. The cosmetic license is valid for 5 years from the date of issue and can be easily removed by paying the retention fees unless it's suspended or cancelled by the authorities. So friends, whether you are launching a new beauty brand or importing international cosmetic products, remember a CDSCO cosmetic license is your gateway to the Indian market. At Diligence Certification, we provide end-to-end assistance from document preparation and application filling to inspection coordination and final approval, making the process fast, reliable, and cost effective. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And for personalized support, contact Diligence Certification today.